Winnebago Industries has got a long history of product innovation, listening to the customer, and providing what the customer is actually looking for in a motor coach. With our accessibility enhanced product line, what we've done is we've taken 30 years of customizing vehicles and we've turned that into a product line.
I like the opportunity that Winnebago started thinking about people that are handicapped and need those accessible RVs, because it gives us the opportunity to have more options to do road trips and definitely be independent.
In the time we've spent in the Winnebago RV, we've been very impressed with the space.
To have a company like Winnebago with its history and quality look out for people in wheelchairs and the disabled, it's really nice. I can lift my wheelchair up. It has a handicap accessible shower, a handicap accessible toilet. It makes it a lot easier.
I was a little skeptical, and this was far more than what I expected. It's going to open up, avenues for many people, that had a desire to participate in seeing the wonderful natural resources of this country. I just think it's great. It's so nice, to be able to get up to a dinner table.
Look at that. What do you think?
Sometimes when you think, oh, it's going to be handicap accessible, it's not going to be like the best looking. It's very beautiful. It's a nice looking RV.
And then when that door opened up and there was that lift there, it was really just kind of like, holy cow, this is real. This really is available for people like me and my family. It's very spacious. Something my wife and I noticed was that we both could walk down the aisle together.
The ramp just folds right up into the wall. It doesn't take away from your experience inside.
I don't like people to know that I'm always in a wheelchair. So I like things that are kind of discreet. I like that it's not noticeable.
They've made it feel like home.
Yeah. Winnebago coming out with this just really blown me away. It really has.
Since the injury, Griffin has had so much to adapt to, so many life changes. He is one of the most resilient people I've ever met.
I feel pretty blessed to be given the second chance that I have. You really think about having a disability, what it truly means is you have to work harder to get the same result as another person. Companies like Winnebago, and they make things easier for wheelchair users. It's a really nice step in the right direction.
At Winnebago, our mission is to give people great experiences in the outdoors. This is one way that we can provide that experience to a demographic of people who don't normally get to have these experiences.